You tried sending profiles to Zoho Recruit CRM, but they lack some data from their profiles pages, including emails. If you open a profiles card in Linked Helper, you'll see that there is not much data either. Why so? When you collect profiles into a campaign from the LinkedIn search page, Linked Helper scrapes only the information available in the profiles preview, as it doesn't visit a profiles page. Usually, it's a contact's name, headline, location, and some IDs. It is the same when you collect, for example, from event page or post reactions page. Let's adjust this campaign so that profiles data is exported in full. We need to add two more actions above. Firstly, visit and extract to scrape all information from profiles pages. Also, in this action, I'll enable scraping data from companies' pages where leads currently work. After that, find profile emails action. I'm going to use Linked Helper Email Finder option. Email Finder credits are issued with a license, but you can buy more credits if you need. You can check your balance in the upper left corner below the account's name. Finally, I'll add already processed profiles back to the queue of the campaign for reprocessing them in the modified workflow. Go to the successful sublist of the Send Person to Zoho Recruit action, select All Profiles, and click Retry button. These profiles were moved to the queue of this exporting action. Go to it, select All Profiles again, and now click the Add To button. Choose this campaign and its queue. Click Add, and now we can delete profiles from the queue of this action. You can watch our full guide on how to map the fields and configure expert settings. Still, I'll mention a couple of important settings. According to my configurations, sent profiles will be stored as contacts in Zoho Recruit and companies they work at as clients. Zoho Recruit does not allow creating custom fields via API in Linked Helper, so you need to create custom fields in Zoho Recruit settings. Under Customization, click Modules and select Contact. Here, on the left side, select a type of a new field, single line, and drag it to the module layout to create a custom field. I'll add Member ID and Public ID fields that will serve as extra identifiers apart from an email to avoid duplicate contacts. Save the layout. Now switch to another module, Client, and add extra identifiers for companies as well. It's going to be Public ID and Company ID. Save. Zoho Recruit sets different limits on the number of custom fields allowed based on the subscription plan you are using. On a free account, it's not possible to create any custom fields. With a standard license, it's 50 for a module, Professional 150, and Enterprise 300. Now match the newly created fields in the export settings and mark these fields as identifiers. Now let's start the campaign. It is starting with visiting the Profiles page, Then it is visiting and getting the company's page data. And after that, it will attempt to find an email for this profile. If it's found, a profile with full data will be sent to Zoho Recruit. Even though profiles were sent to Zoho Recruit, it appears that some of them do not have emails. How come? This can happen if the email comes from a third-party source, which isn't associated with the email field in Zoho Recruit. Emails can be sourced from LinkedIn and be located under the Contacts tab, from some third-party source and displayed in the designated area, or both. Let's map emails from the third-party source with a secondary email field in Zoho Recruit. I'll set secondary email as an identifier as well. Now we can reprocess profiles in the Send Person to Zoho Recruit action so they appear in the CRM with new data for emails. Let's display the secondary email field here in the list. If no emails are found for a profile, they get into the failed sublist of the action and are not moved to the next step. Thus, you won't see these contacts in Zoho Recruit CRM. You can move them manually to the next action, and there is still other data apart from emails that can be exported. Select all profiles and click Move to the next action button. As you can see, they appeared in the CRM without emails, but with other profile data.